Ripple has flipped the PR nightmare entailed by the lawsuit from the fundamental to the technical perspective, taking center stage in both the ongoing litigation and Bitcoin's price rally to over $50,000 to turn the company's misplaced reputation into a beam of hope. The XRP coin shows signs of a moonshot as it's flipped all of its previous most significant resistances into support. And this lawsuit entails a more positive outcome, such as a win for the Ripple team. We could easily see this digital asset surpassing its $3.37 most significant all-time gain by a whopping 300% price surge. The company has taken advantage of the publicity garnered by the lawsuit with the SEC to leverage support from crypto enthusiasts and international corporations, especially those from the Eastern continent. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Right now, we have an urgent warning from JP Morgan regarding the crypto market, specifically the altcoins. At present, we've got Bitcoin at $50,000, knocking off its previous most significant resistance level of $45,000. We have Ethereum at $3,915, Cardano, BNB, and XRP at $2.88, $495.88, and $1.26, respectively. Even so, XRP is poised for some significant pumps before the end of the year, and not even the SEC's lawsuit can stop this coin now. We can see predictions from some of our famous cryptocurrency traders, like the Credible Crypto, talking about XRP with such high ups. As XRP has increased by 60% from the position where the said analyst had placed his bid earlier on, within the region popularly marked as the ideal region, and continues to push into the H4 supply zone. XRP has been locking in some profits at this point, as prices are expected to reload once we get a dip. Quite happy to see almost a $2.3 trillion market cap for this asset class. With all of these coins doing very well, it's still important to add that Bitcoin took a little longer before retouching the $50,000 mark against what was expected. But we're happy to be finally saying goodbye to the $50,000 resistance for Bitcoin, as we're soon going to put that behind us. Similarly, we've seen XRP trading sideways in a symmetrical triangle pattern that we broke bullish out of a few days back. From the perspective of the fuller view of XRP, we could see a bullish divergence on the monthly chart. The signs that XRP will make a significant moonshot in the short-term time frame are even more imminent, as XRP is about to hit a high moonshot to above $1.60 to $2 based on the macro analysis from 2014 to 2021 with confluence between the cycles. Even though following Bitcoin's trend, XRP has been on its cycle over the past 4 months. XRP has earlier squashed its first headwind at a little above the 70-cent zone, just as it approaches the second resistance point of $1.09. Registering some of the most significant highs throughout the season, the momentum shown by XRP's price over the last couple of months indicates quite a bullish tone. However, the ride to these significant gains will not be a pushover, as we'll see some downswings right after every upswing, during which XRP is expected to encounter 3 levels. Firstly, XRP's top will be registered at the orange 50.6 Fib at exactly the $1.60 margin. XRP's bottom, on the other hand, would be recorded in 5 or the orange 1.6 regions, with the critical support zone being placed at the orange 3.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If XRP were to retrace, that position would be set at the 0.618 retracement level, which will also be well placed at the orange 30.6 Fib level or 95 cents. At the same time, we have the same spot back in 2018, where we had seen the price of this digital asset skyrocket to its most remarkable all-time high of about $3.20. Similarly, XRP is just above the 420 bars since its latest all-time high to about $2 earlier in April. Based on the Fib analysis starting from early 2014, we can see XRP's cycle top being registered at the green 50.6 Fib level, with its orange 0.618 retracement level of that respective more minor cycle being placed at the green 30.6 Fib, arising in about a 2 months time frame between March to May 2018. However, the bottom of that cycle will be registering at the orange 1.6 just as seen in 2014. Also, we can see the confluence between the macro cycles when comparing the macro Fib channels. Also noteworthy is the green dot on the weekly chart about midway through both cycles, indicating a weekly bottom for that end. Afterward, both processes had gotten a lesser green dot on the wave's narrative at the same spot just before hitting newer highs. The money flow index is also quite bullish. That said, retail investors just bought stocks at a record pace over the summer, and that's helped it push the markets to its record high, according to data from JP Morgan. A statement published by the American financial services company has hinted that the cryptocurrency market is looking frothy again, given the buying frenzy has overflown from the stock market into that of cryptocurrencies throughout August, especially in altcoins. JP Morgan is hinting to investors that the share of altcoins is looking somewhat elevated, whereas based on historical data and in their opinion, this new uptrend is more likely to be a fluke, as it's pioneered by retail investors' mania against a structural uptrend. Hence, it's a reflection of froth. A claim several expert analysts have come to terms with, just as Ben from the BitBoy Crypto has stated for the vast majority of coins, we're yet to establish a connection between the fundamentals, the use case versus the users, and the price. I know we're all bullish on the fact that we're all happy to be right here, back at the $50,000 margin, especially the late crypto adopters who just entered into the market a few weeks before the recent months-long downtrend. We still need to acknowledge that there is a possibility of a Tulip Bubble with this new price surge, and this is what JP Morgan has warned against. We should expect to have most of these predictions centered around some key psychological levels with that in mind. Just as we've surpassed the 90 cents to $1 resistance threshold, the following fundamental resistance level to watch here is the $1.60 trend line, just above the $1.30 closing candles. XRP's price has rallied a lot further away from the bounce off its $1 price margin and is closing rapidly on the channel's midpoint. Should Bitcoin keep up with its current momentum, XRP is bound to rally by nearly 300%, reaching for the upper limit and coinciding with its most significant all-time gains of more than $3 from back in 2018. With the current price of XRP pegged at about $1.26 and taking a look at the charts for this digital asset from a broader perspective and a historical point of view, we're at an advantageous phase in the bull cycle, a position on the market such that the prices are still fair enough for newer investors to enter the market, yet solid enough that the bulls have been able to take over that market from the bears about a month ago and still have complete control of it until this very moment. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.